She is now busy. Start
Busy.
your work.
Her work or your work?
Sorry, her work.
Right. Hey, Nausheen, you were bored today?
And also his backward areas.
Where is
Maybe
she from?
Samili. She may she from
She,
Punjab.
she is from. She is from.
She is from Punjab,
Working in Saudi. I mean,
Dubai.
Dubai.
In Dubai, yeah.
Oh, interesting, interesting.
Hello, sir. Good
She is
evening.
very poor, sir.
Ask her to join the class. Not to worry about the fee.
But now he start work. So 4 o'clock.
Is the
She
time to
her
start work?
yeah.
Okay, okay, that's the problem. Big problem. Ask her to watch the recordings if she can understand.
Yes.
Mm.
Good evening.
Hello, Maz. Hello,
Good afternoon.
Dharmendra. Afreen and Shazia. Look, again, your camera is off, girls. You join and you turn your camera on next moment, like everybody else, okay? Afreen and Shazia, one reason why you guys are making... Afreen, beta, I wanted to talk to you. Maybe tomorrow, okay? Afreen. Look,
Yes, sir.
I said we will talk tomorrow, okay? And turn your camera on. Shazia, you too. Turn your camera on and keep it on, okay? All right. So everybody has done their homework. They have written the audio script, which is great. And today, first of all, I'm going to play the audio, and then I will ask you guys to practice the conversations with a partner.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Purva, good evening. Afreen, again, you turn it off. And Shazia, your camera is not on. Please don't test my patience, please. Why did you do
Good
that,
evening,
Afreen?
sir.
Why did you turn it off, Afreen? Tell me. You are sitting here and you were on camera. Then why did you turn it off suddenly?
Sir,
Yes, Kashyap.
मैंने स्नेहा को लिखा you wasted your time.
Uh-huh.
आपने reply किया think about your sentence first.
Right. By the way, it's not Sneha. Sneha is her daughter. It's Sanyogita ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
अच्छा, चलिए रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं। उन्होंने लिखा इन माई फ्री टाइम आई वॉच टीवी। अब आप हिंदी में
जी।
रिस्पॉन्ड करिए। कोई हिंदी में कहता है कि मैं अपने खाली समय में टीवी देखती हूँ, आप उनको क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में?
मैं उनको ये कहा कि तुम अपना टाइम वेस्ट बर्बाद की।
अच्छा, वो कह रही हैं कि मैं अपने खाली समय में टीवी देखती हूँ।
जी।
अब आप फिर से सोच के बताओ, आप हिंदी में सोचो। अगर कोई आपके सामने कहे कि मैं अपने खाली समय में टीवी देखता हूँ या देखती हूँ, तो आप क्या बोलते हो उसको?
मैं उसमें एक सेंटेंस छोड़ दिया क्योंकि उसमें मैं लिखने वाला था कि फ्री टाइम में आप स्टडी कर सकते हैं।
ओके।
टाइम
और
बर्बाद करके फायदा नहीं।
फिर क्या और क्या बोलना चाहेंगे अगर नॉर्मल बातचीत हो रही होगी तो? Shazia, turn your camera on. Suleikha, turn your camera on. Nishat, turn your camera on. Yes, Apurva.
वैसे टाइम में ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि आप अपना समय बर्बाद कर रही हैं।
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया अपूर्वा। ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसे कोई नहीं बोलेगा ना कि आपने अपना समय बर्बाद किया जब कोई कहता है कि मैं ऐसा करता हूँ या मैं ऐसा करती हूँ तो। राइट।
यस सर।
यही मेरा सोच कहना था कि सोचो जरा, लिखने के पहले, बोलने के पहले आप जरा सोचो। शाजिया, What's wrong with you, Shazia? Okay, fine. Your camera is off because you are sick. All right. All right.
And one
Sulekha.
question again, sir.
Yes, yes, Iqbal.
I send homework and last sentence. Well, he watched TV a lot. Why use
I'm going to answer all of those questions. Don't worry. I'm going to answer all of them. Sulekha, you missed the classes for 2 days, Sulekha.
Yes, sir.
I hope you watched the recording. Recording देखी आपने?
Yes, sir.
Good. Hey,
Good
Deepika.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Deepika. First of all, I'm going to play the audio. And 2.10, you guys have written the audio script. I am sharing the audio script here as well. Okay, I'll check Amit's audio script. Everybody, you check your own audio script. Lovely, very good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Chiku. Chiku has just joined. Hey, Anshu. देखो इन्होंने verb underline किया है, but he has written the audio script for 2.9. I asked you guys to write the audio script for 2.10.
Okay.
2.9 was unnecessary. I only asked you to write 2.10 audio script. Let's check. अच्छा, एक request है. अगले दिन मैं चाहूंगा कि 5:30 में आप लोग क्लिक करें ज्वाइन करने के लिए, 5:45 में नहीं. ओके इम्तियाज, आपने ज्वाइन किया 5:45 में. सम पीपल ज्वाइन एट 5:40. एवरीबॉडी
गुड इवनिंग सर.
गुड इवनिंग इम्तियाज.
सर मेरी ट्यूशन वाली मैम लेट से गई इसलिए हम मतलब
ना
थोड़ा
तो
लेट कर रहे हैं.
यू आर टोटली फाइन दीपिका बेटा, यू आर टोटली फाइन, डोंट वरी. ओके, but I'm talking about the other people. Listen guys, you have to join the class the moment I say come join. Okay, don't come after 5 or
Yes.
10 minutes because we are wasting our time in a way. Okay,
Yes,
if you
sir.
check, it is 5:45 now. It means 15 minutes are gone. I will also try to start on time 5:30. Okay, so because
Yes.
it's an online class, wherever you are, you can be prepared that okay, 5:30 is my class time, I need to be ready.
Yes.
Yeah. And now I'm playing the audio. Everybody listen and check the audio script. Okay, listen and check the audio script.
Yes, sir.
This is 2.10.
Tape script 2.10. 1. What does your sister do?
What does your sister do? What does your sister do? आप क्या करती है? आपकी बहन क्या करती है? What does your sister do?
She's a student. She wants to be a doctor, so she studies a lot.
She's a student. She wants to be a doctor, so she studies a lot. No confusion, anybody?
No, sir.
2.
Does Peter like his new job?
Does Peter like his new job? Why do we say his new job? Why not her new job?
Because Peter is a male.
Peter is a man. Does Peter like
Yeah.
his new job?
No, he doesn't.
No,
he
he
doesn't.
doesn't. He works
Oh,
very
he
hard.
doesn't.
Very hard.
He works very hard and he doesn't earn a lot of money.
No, he doesn't. after doesn't, Deepak, sorry, Deepak, I'm saying, Amit beta, there should be a full stop, okay? No, he doesn't, a full stop. And
Good
then
evening, sir.
he should be with a capital H, okay? No, he doesn't. He works very hard and he doesn't earn a lot of money. A lot money or a lot of money?
A lot of money.
A lot of money, okay? A lot of money.
3.
Is that your dog?
Is that your dog?
No, he isn't.
Is that your dog?
No, it isn't.
No, he isn't. He's my mother's.
Is that your dog? No, he isn't.
No, he isn't. He's my mother's.
He is my mother's. Well done, Amit. He is my mother's.
He goes with her everywhere.
He goes with her everywhere.
She loves him a lot.
She loves him a lot.
His name's Boris.
His name is Boris. Amit, it is a proper noun because you're talking about the name of the dog. So it should also be with a capital letter, right? His name is Boris. Now,
Yes.
it doesn't matter how you spell Boris. It doesn't matter, okay? If I
Yeah.
were to spell, I would write P-O-R-I-C-E maybe. But you can spell it any way you want, no problems, Boris.
4.
Your friend Ella speaks English very well.
Your friend Ella, not Ella's, your friend Ella, E-double-L-A. Your friend Ella speaks English. Okay, Amit, can you say speak here? Is it possible to say speak? Your friend Ella speak? No, it
Speaks.
has to be speaks, right,
He
Beta?
speaks.
Your
Yeah.
friend Ella speaks English very well. Your friend Ella speaks English very well. Is it a question?
Sir, maybe seem confusion था sir मेरा.
Mm-hmm. Is it a question or a statement? Your friend Ella speaks
Statement.
English very well.
It is statement, sir.
Statement.
It is not a question, right?
Yeah. Yes. Sir.
Because to make it a question, we have to say, does your friend Ella speak English very well? Then it will
Yeah.
be a question. When we say, does your friend Ella speak English very well? Next.
Yes, she does.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does. She does. He does. No, she does. Because Ella
She does.
is a girl. Okay. Ella is a girl. Yes, she does.
She goes to England every summer.
She goes to England every summer. Okay. The next, last conversation, number 5, everybody.
5.
What does your grandfather do all the time?
तिकड़ी देखना. Your grandfather do. 2 शब्द मिल गए ना बेटा? Your
Yeah.
grandfather
Yes.
do. इसके पहले क्या होना चाहिए?
Does.
Was.
Does your grandfather do?
Exactly.
What does your
तिकड़ी तभी बनेगी ना? तिकड़ी तभी बनेगी ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
सब लोग अपना अपना चेक किए?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
संयोगिता मैम, did you see there was mistake here?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
और वो तिकड़ी नहीं देख पाए आप, हमेशा तिकड़ी देखा करो आप लोग, okay? Your grandfather do, ये 2 शब्द मिल गए, subject और V1 मिल गया, इसके पहले हर हाल में क्या होगा?
What
Does.
What does your grandfather do all the time? क्या करते हैं आपके दादाजी, नाना जी जो भी हैं?
Well, he watches TV a lot.
Well, he watches TV a lot. Now, the question is, why does she say well? बेटा ये आदत होती है उन लोगों की। उन लोग की आदत होती है, बोलने से पहले कुछ क्या बोलते हैं? Well, अब ये आदत क्यों होती है? इसके बारे में मैं बताता हूँ। Sometimes you need a little bit of time to think about what you want to say. For example, your friend comes to you and says, भाई 10,000 रुपया का इंतजाम कर, नहीं बड़ी जरूरत हो, okay? And आप ना बोलना चाह रहे हो, लेकिन उसको नाराज भी नहीं करना चाह रहे हो, right? तो आप ना थोड़ा सा सोचने लगोगे ना?
Yes.
कि मना कैसे करें? तो आप बोलोगे ऐसे करोगे ना, ये क्यों आवाज क्यों निकाले? क्योंकि आप कुछ बोल करके अपने आप को टाइम दे रहे हो ताकि आप प्लान कर सको क्या जवाब देना उसको। 10,000 रुपया। देखी ना, बैंकवा से पैसा तो हमार निकल नहीं रहा, जाम होइल हो अकाउंटवा, ऐसे ऐसे करके बहाना आप मारोगे। ओके
सर हम ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे, हम कहेंगे क्या इतना पैसा मेरे पास नहीं है।
Deepika, your friend will not ask you for 10,000, Deepika. Your friend will ask you for 10 rupees, you know. Your friend will say, Deepika, can you help me with 10 rupees? Then Deepika will
भी वही
say,
बोलेंगे, मेरे पास
10 रुपया, but हमारे पास तो 5 ही रुपया है। तो what is
ना
that?
ना सर, मेरे पास तो 5 भी रुपया नहीं।
Okay, so you will not help your friend. So guys,
हम कोशिश
basically,
करेंगे हेल्प करने का।
basically well is used to just buy a little bit of time, थोड़ा समय लेने के लिए। ओके to
Yes, sir.
ये हो गया आदत क्यों पड़ती है, बाकी है आदत लोगों की, कुछ लोग ऐसे ही बोलते रहते हैं वेल। ओके जब उनसे कुछ पूछोगे तो बोलेंगे वेल, और उसके बाद वो बोलेंगे ओके। So I hope you understand it has no meaning, okay? It has no
Yes,
meaning.
sir.
It is just a habit
Yeah.
of some people to use this word well. And I also explained why some people develop this habit. They need a little bit of time to think about what they want to say. What does your
Yes.
grandfather do all the time? Well, he watches TV a lot,
But on Saturdays he plays golf with
but on Saturdays he plays golf. G-O-L-F, golf. He plays golf, everybody. He plays go nahi, he plays golf, okay? He plays golf
ना बताएं।
with his
friends,
friends.
and on Sundays he visits us.
And on Sundays he visits us. He visits us.
So-
Kashif Iqbal, he visits us.
Sir, I
Yes,
have a
sir.
question.
Yeah.
In these lines, they use Saturdays and Sundays, like every Saturday and every Sundays, na sir?
हाँ, not necessarily, but yes. एकदम बंधन नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, yeah.
Oh,
I usually have chicken on Sundays.
मतलब किसी किसी संडे को ना सर,
ना,
लाइक
ना, ऐसा भी नहीं मैंने कहा संडे को हम चिकन खाते हैं। अब इतना से देखो क्या कर रही हैं पूर्वा, गौर करना। जब कोई नई भाषा आप सीखते हो ना, तो कई बार क्या होता है, अडल्ट होने के बाद जब आप सीखते हो तो आप उसमें बहुत ज्यादा लॉजिक ढूंढते हो, बहुत ज्यादा ये सर्टेनिटी ढूंढते हो। वही चीज आप अपनी मदर टंग में कभी नहीं ढूंढे, लेकिन जब आप नई भाषा सीखोगे तो ये रहेगी प्रॉब्लम। ये नेचुरल है, सबके साथ
Yes.
लगभग होती है, किसी के साथ ज्यादा, किसी के साथ कम, लेकिन सबके साथ होती है। मैंने कहा on Sundays he visits us. मैंने कहा on Sundays I eat chicken, ठीक है? तो अगर मैं कहता हूं कि रविवार को हम चिकन खाते हैं, तो क्या आप मुझसे कंफर्मेशन लोगे कि हर रविवार को हम खाते हैं? एकदम पक्का है? कभी एक रविवार नहीं जा
नहीं।
सकता? कभी ऐसा एक रविवार
नहीं।
नहीं जा सकता जिसमें हम नहीं खाए हों?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है।
नहीं सर।
he never asked like this, sir.
लेकिन हमें इंग्लिश में पूछे हम लोग, पता है ना क्यों?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि हम लोग अडल्ट होने के बाद लैंग्वेज सीख रहे हैं, जो कि अननेचुरल है। हम लोग को लैंग्वेज सीखने की जरूरत कब होती है? बचपन में, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
लेकिन अभी हम लोग एक अननेचुरल काम कर रहे हैं नेचुरल तरीके से, तो ये कंफ्यूजन्स होंगे, नेचुरल है, ये एकदम सबके साथ होते हैं। आप लोग कई बार ना बहुत ज्यादा ढूंढोगे सर्टेनिटी, बहुत ज्यादा मीनिंग, बहुत ज्यादा सेंस बनाना चाहोगे, जबकि अपने ही मदर टंग में बोलते हो तुम और बिंदास बोलते हो।
Sir,
हाँ।
when I listen that audio script, I understand what he want to say, but I ask you
मन में वो
like,
सवाल आ गया।
yes, sir.
मुझे पता है, जब नई भाषा सीखेंगे तो ऐसा ही होगा। जब आप कोई नई भाषा सीख रहे होते हैं तो ये सब होता है फर्स्ट टाइम। अगर आप अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाएं, उसके बाद आप कोई नई भाषा सीखने की कोशिश करें, जैसे फ्रेंच और इटालियन और स्पेनिश और जर्मन, इस बार उतना नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आप ना एक एक्सपीरियंस ले चुके होंगे नई भाषा सीखने का।
Yes, sir.
बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी सबके सब एक ही लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं, देयर मदर टंग, और ये पहली लैंग्वेज जो आप सीख रहे हैं इंग्लिश अदर देन योर मदर टंग, तो इट्स ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल बिट चैलेंजिंग, बट इट्स ऑल राइट। जैसे मैंने बताया कि ये सवाल आना नेचुरल है, ये दीपिका के मन में नहीं आएगा, छोटी है वो, लेकिन जेबा के मन में आ सकता है, चीकू के मन में आ सकता है, इकबाल के मन में आ सकता है, सबके मन में आ सकता है। बट यंग बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स विल नॉट थिंक, वो नहीं सोचेंगे इतना, उनके दिमाग में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि भाषा में सवाल जवाब आते नहीं ज्यादा मन में, बस चल रहा होता है, मस्ती चल रही होती, भाषा भाषा है ऐसे बच्चों के लिए। बट व्हेन वी आर ग्रोन अप्स, तो हमारे लिए भाषा भाषा नहीं रह जाती। जब हम सीखने की कोशिश करते हैं, हम उसमें हमेशा लॉजिक ढूंढेंगे, और ये नेचुरल है बड़े लोगों की, आपकी गलती नहीं है ये इट इज सो नेचुरल। आई डिड दिस ऑल द टाइम व्हेन आई वाज लर्निंग, so it's very very natural.
Sometimes it happens with me, sir. So
It happens with all of us. I did it
Yes.
all the time. On Sundays, I stay at home. Sunday को हम घर पे रहते हैं। अभी ये क्या एक ऐसा संडे गया होगा कि हम बाहर गए होंगे? हाँ, हो सकता है, लेकिन अक्सर हम नहीं करते ऐसा, राइट? तो
सर संडे को सब लोग घर में रहता है, ना स्कूल जाता है, ट्यूशन जाता है।
Some people don't stay at home on Sundays. They go out with their friends. They spend their entire day with friends in the park, in discos, in the cinema hall. You know, some people don't spend their Sundays at home.
हाँ,
Okay.
ये बात है।
Yeah. Deepika understands and agrees with me. All right, guys, are we ready to practice?
Yeah.
So I am now going to create breakout rooms where you guys will go and ask and answer the questions with each other. Practice the conversation.
Yes.
which conversation? 2.10.
2.10. Okay. If you want, you can
Yes.
practice 2.9 afterwards. First practice 2.10. Focus should be on 2.10.
सर
Yes.
आपको एक चीज दिखाएं।
Can I show you something? Would you like to see
हाँ,
something? ऐसे बोलेंगे, कैसे बोलेंगे? Would you like to see something? Yes, beta, show me.
ये देखिए।
Your books. Who did that? Your brother?
यस सर।
I'm so sorry. You know, he's very young. He's only 6 years old. It's very difficult to protect your books from.
सर इतना सा ये देखिए, मेरा स्कूल का साइंस वाला बुक का ना पहला चैप्टर का ही चिथड़ा उड़ा दिया वो, देखिए क्या काम किया है।
He damaged your book completely,
ये
huh?
सर देखिए, हम टेप से चिपकाए हैं।
Oh
ये
my
देखिए,
goodness.
इधर से तो पूरा इतना।
Oh, poor you. You need a lock in your bag, you know, so that he cannot have access to your books.
ये देखिए,
क्या
इधर
कहा
से
मैंने
इतना।
दोस्तों? She needs a lock in her bag so that,
Yeah.
or on her bag, so that her brother cannot have access to her books.
और जैसे ही दूसरा चैप्टर शुरू हुआ, दूसरा चैप्टर का भी हो गया।
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
By the time, you know, you pass this class, the book will be totally gone, damaged.
They both are naughty. Not only his brother, sir.
Her brother, not his brother, her brother.
Not her brother, sir.
तो हम नहीं फाड़ेंगे उसका।
Yeah, so you have to take revenge. Yeah, children love this. You
सर, हम
did
इसको
that to
टेप
me,
से
I have to do
चिपकाने
the
की
same to you.
कोशिश की है, बट नहीं
I had to
चिपका।
read about this in child psychology, you know. The children like doing tit for tat. You broke my pencil, I will break your pencil.
Yeah.
क्लास में ऐसे हुआ था, एक लड़की का बाहर वाला कवर एक लड़की फाड़ दी तो उसका भी फाड़ दी। ये हमको पेंसिल से मारा, हम भी इधर पेंसिल से फेंकेंगे।
See?
ऐसे
Told
ही
you.
होता है, तुम हमको बेंच से धक्का दिया, लो तुम भी धक्का खाओ।
But after a few years, you guys will change, you know, you will start to understand the situation a little bit. Yeah,
ये
people grow up,
बचपन का
beta.
आदत है।
People grow up. Everybody grows up.
नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा, आज तक का बच्चा नहीं।
Really? Okay,
खास
people.
कर मेरे क्लास का बॉयज लोग बिल्कुल
अबे।
नहीं।
निखत, आप कैसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगी?
Yeah.
I am going to put Nikhat in a room to listen, okay? Nikhat, you will only listen. Listen to 2 people. You can talk to them, but mainly will listen. I'm opening the rooms for you all. Go ahead, everybody. Start your practice. Have a good time.
सर
Yes.
मेरे लिए वो वाला रूम खोलेगा जिसमें हम अपने मन से चूज करेंगे।
Oh, really? Not today, because today we have a different number, beta, okay? Another day, beta, another day, please. Go ahead. Accept the invitation, everyone. Accept the invitation. Deepika, accept the invitation on your screen. Please, please. You have got a good partner, don't worry. Yeah. Your internet. Nausheen. Tasia beta.
Yes.
Nausheen. Nausheen, can you see another
But,
Nausheen here?
Join.
Okay, room number 9. Go, Nausheen, go to room number 9. And
सर ज्वाइन का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है।
अच्छा बेटा कोई नहीं. Go to room number 9, Atif. Kashif. Your internet. What do I do? Where do I send you?
My mobile program, sir.
Yeah, obviously.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm creating another breakout room. Wait for us. Go practice. What happened, Shazia beta? Shazia.
Hello.
Shazia, I have invited you to room number 3.
Hello.
See the invitation.
सर मैं ज्वाइन कैसे करूंगी ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है।
Because your internet is bad, beta. Okay, try and join
Okay,
whatever
sir.
room you want. Try and join whatever room you want, okay?
Yes, effective stories.
Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you guys had enough time to practice the conversations.
Sir. Yes.
Sir.
Any confusions about 2.10?
No, sir.
No confusions. Okay. Now, I am going to do the next exercise with you guys. I can hear some noises coming from Adib's side. Adib, beta, you are sitting in front of the fan, perhaps.
No.
No, it is not from your side then. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna play another audio file. Listen and tick the sentence you hear. You have 2 choices every time, A and B. Listen and tick the sentence that you hear. Are you ready?
Okay. Yes, sir. I am ready.
Okay, listen and tick.
Tape script 2.11. 1,
He likes his job.
2, she loves working. 3,
He isn't married.
4,
Does he have 3 children?
5, where does he go?
So first
Sir,
of all,
Sir,
yes,
can you repeat question number 2?
I will play the whole audio file one more time. Don't worry. Okay, guys, listen. What are you going to do? You're gonna listen. Okay, listen very carefully, everybody. Okay,
Yes.
and then after listening, tick the sentence that you hear. All right.
Tape script 2.11. 1,
He likes his job.
Which did you hear?
A number.
He likes his job.
He likes his job.
Very good.
It's working.
2, she loves working.
Kashyap Iqbal, you have to mute yourself.
Working.
3,
Yes, this is pronounced working and this is pronounced walking.
Yeah.
B number, sir. She loves working.
Working.
That's
Over,
right.
sir.
That's right. She loves working.
He isn't married.
He isn't married.
He isn't married.
He isn't married. Everybody, read. He isn't married.
He isn't married.
He isn't married.
I did not say married. I said married.
He isn't married.
He
I did not
isn't
say
married.
married. I did not say married. I said married.
He isn't married.
Married.
He isn't married.
Isn't married.
Yeah.
Married.
He isn't married.
Okay, it is not married. It is married.
Married. Yes.
Married.
Marry, married. Okay, not
Married.
married.
Yeah.
It is not married. It is not red.
Married.
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 Married. Isn't married. He isn't married.
He isn't married.
4,
Does he have 3 children?
Repeat.
Does he have
Three
children?
Three children.
Does he have 3 children?
Yeah.
He have, yes, we have, sir.
He.
Yeah.
Does he have 3 children?
Does he
Yeah.
have?
अच्छा, is A wrong?
Sir,
क्या
does
A
he
गलत है? क्या A गलत है? Does she have 3 children? ये गलत है?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
तो फिर हम लोग
हैज
तो
होगा
फिर हम लोग
सर. सी के बाद हैज हो नहीं हो सकता.
इम्तियाज आप पूछ रहे हो?
या.
अच्छा चलो हम बता देते हैं. Tell me one thing. क्या हम A चुनेंगे तो हम गलत हो जाएंगे?
No, sir.
तो हम
No,
A क्यों नहीं
sir,
चुन रहे?
ये भी
B
सही.
क्यों चुन रहे हैं?
लिसनिंग में सर.
we listen he
Yes, sir.
audio file, sir.
We heard, not we listened. We heard.
We heard
Yeah.
he in a audio file, sir.
देखिए दोनों में फर्क क्या है? आपको जो करते हैं वो लिसन है, जो होता है वो हियर है. फिर से समझना. आप जो करते हैं वो लिसन है, ठीक है? और जो होता है वो क्या है?
Here है.
Hear. तो आपने लिसन किया और आवाज क्या आई? यानी हियर क्या हुआ?
Audio
Does he
file.
have 3 children?
Does he have 3 children?
तो आपने ये हियर किया इसलिए आपने इसको टिक कर दिया. Because the
Yes.
instruction was tick the sentence that you hear. उस सेंटेंस को टिक कर दीजिए जो आप हियर कर रहे हैं, यानी कि जो आपके कान पे पड़ रहा है. Got
Yes.
it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, इम्तियाज, you have a question कि वो हैज क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? yही पूछा आपने इम्तियाज.
Yes, sir.
बेटा आप ये बताएं, does she go to school कि does she goes to school? Which is correct?
Does she go to school?
Go to school.
She goes to school.
Go to school or goes?
Go to
Sir,
go to school.
Go,
Does
sir,
she
go.
go to school?
तो जैसे go में s नहीं लगाया, वैसे ही has में से s हटा लेते हैं बच्चे. और
Yes,
बन
sir,
जाता है
yes.
वो does
Question
she
mark.
have 3 children? Yes.
Yes, sir, yes. समझ गया.
Yes, sir.
Next.
5.
Where does he go?
Where does he go?
Where does he go? Now we are going to do a very fun activity. Let's jump to page number 105, everybody. Page number 105. It is at the back of the book. Go to the back part of the book, okay? The last few pages. Go to page number 105.
David Guetta.
I don't have book. So
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. I'm sending it to you right now. Don't worry.
I have two difficult, sir.
I open,
so.
Yeah. Page number 105 is on your screen right now, everybody.
Yes.
Sir, but in book there is no
Yes, yes, Peter. This page is available. This page is there.
105.
105.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mars, it is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to find the page, but the page is there. Shabnam,
Yes, sir.
I shared it with you on Telegram, Shabnam. Okay, check the pic I've shared with you. Everybody, look at the charts and complete them. Can you complete the charts? Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives.
I am done, sir.
Very good, Aarti. Some words are missing. You have to write those words which are missing.
Our I am.
Good. Everybody notice that there is no blank space in the middle part. Object pronouns, all of them are written. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. How many are they? How many are they? How many are they total? Object pronouns, take a look.
7.
7. There are 7 object pronouns. How many subject pronouns are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 are missing. 3 are missing. 3 are missing.
4. Yeah.
Can you write them?
Yes, sir.
Good. And how many possessive adjectives are there total?
4.
There are 4, sir.
4 are given. 4 are given, but there are total 7, right? 4 are given. 3 are missing. Can you write them?
3 are missing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Now the exercise has become easy, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the subject pronoun column, subject pronouns, there are total 7 subject pronouns. Remember?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
I, you,
he, she, it, we, they.
she,
It, we, they. Any
Yes,
problems, anyone?
No, sir.
No.
Total 7 subject pronouns. I, you, he,
She,
it,
we,
they.
Not from, sir. Are you the receipt?
Right. And there are total 7 possessive adjectives too.
Yes, sir.
My,
Ma.
Me. My. Yours.
Yours, no, your, not
Your,
yours.
yes,
Your,
your.
Y-O-U-R. Your,
His.
his,
Her.
her,
It.
its,
Our.
Yes.
our,
There.
there. Okay. Just to help you better, I'm writing them here for you, okay?
Okay, sir.
Everyone, take a look. Now, 7 subject pronouns, 7 object pronouns, and 7 possessive adjectives. They're all related somehow, right? They're all related somehow.
Yes.
You put your hands on you, put your hands like this, and say, I, me, my.
I, me,
I,
my.
me, my.
Understand?
You, your.
Now put your finger towards me. Put your finger towards me. You, your.
He, him, his.
Now put your hand towards a boy, any boy towards in your room, outside your room, towards a boy, a man, and say he, him,
Him.
his.
His. Yeah.
His.
His.
Okay, now put your finger towards a girl in your room, outside your room, somewhere, a girl. She, her. One more time. Now take a thing in your hand. Say it. It's. मैं समझाऊंगा, don't worry, tension ना लो, मैं समझाता हूँ. Wait. Now we.
Us.
Our.
My.
They.
Them.
There. Okay. अभी थोड़ा extra help. You guys need extra help. Okay, everybody? Let's see. I am your
Yes.
teacher.
Yes, sir.
I am your teacher. My students like me. They like me.
Yes.
They like me.
They like.
They like my style of teaching. My style. They like my style. My style of teaching. My way of teaching. I hope you understand, everyone.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Now, you are my students. You are my students. I like you all. I like you. I like you. Object pronoun. बताओ object pronoun कहाँ आता है? Verb के पहले या after the verb? Object pronouns.
After the
After
verb.
the verb.
After the verb, sir.
And subject. And subject pronoun.
Before the verb.
Before.
Right. I love teaching. यहाँ I subject pronoun. Love के पहले. My mother loves me. My mother loves me.
My mother subject pronoun.
नहीं वो subject है, वो subject pronoun नहीं, वो noun है
Me
वो.
subject pronoun.
Sorry, sir. Me.
Me object pronoun है यहाँ. My mother
Yes,
loves me. अच्छा
Me,
देखो,
yes,
I
sir.
भी वही आदमी, me भी वही आदमी, एक ही आदमी I, वही आदमी me. लेकिन decision कैसे लेते हैं? जब verb के पहले लेना हो I, verb के बाद me. देखो मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ. My students like me. They like I नहीं बोल सकते. They like I. No.
Me.
They like me. Right? क्योंकि like के
Yes.
बाद बोलते हैं तो me. और मैं कहूँ I like my students. तो यहाँ I क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Me क्यों नहीं बोल रहे? Because it is before the verb. तो subject pronouns come before the verb. Object pronouns come after the verb.
After
The
verb,
third category is the possessive adjectives, right?
Yes,
Let's
Yes,
talk
sir.
about possessive adjectives. My t-shirt. My t-shirt. My t-shirt. यानी possessive adjectives अकेले नहीं आते. वो उनके साथ कोई नाउन रहता है हमेशा. My hair. My students.
Your hair is white.
My don't insult me, Apurva. I'm
No,
still
sir.
young, okay?
Yes, sir. You are young.
Just joking. Just
But
joking.
you are
Just
looking
joking.
handsome in your white
Thank
hair.
you. Thank you very much. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I know I'm old. Okay. So, okay. I was saying my name. My name. Name is a noun. My
Yes,
is a
sir.
possessive adjective. So
Yeah.
my
सर
कभी
कौन कह
अकेले
रहा है
नहीं
आप
होता.
ओल्ड होगा?
Come again, beta.
कौन कह रहा है आप बूढ़े हो गए?
I know, beta. I'm old. I'm 45.
55 ओल्ड होता है?
Don't you think? Don't you think 45 is old?
No, 50 is old.
50 is old. So 5 more years and I will be old. So sad. Life is over, Deepika. When you're old, life is over. Sayogita ma'am, what do you think?
I am
My-
old, sir.
No, you're not. You
I am
know what?
old woman.
You're not. And my wife is very fond
She
of
is
you.
looking very beautiful, sir. How she says she is an old woman?
Exactly. She's my mom's colleague, you know. Sayogita ma'am is my mom's colleague. They work together at the same school. Now she's in Ranchi. And my wife has so many nice things to say about Sayogita ma'am. Sayogita
Yes, sir.
ma'am is
She
so
is looking-
She's
she is
so
looking
friendly.
young.
She's so
Oh
kind.
no, Apurva, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? No, I am not young. Yeah, myself Apurva.
Myself Apurva. Wow. Amazing. Myself Apurva. Never say that. Yes, I am Apurva. Yes, my name is
बताए
Apurva.
कौन कौन यहाँ पे बूढ़ा हो गया है?
Tell me, Deepika. I know. First name is
दीपिका.
नहीं,
दीपिका बूढ़ी हो गई है. Deepika is old woman.
Deepika is an old woman.
क्या कर रहा है?
Deepika,
हम मापेंगे
अच्छा
इसको।
दीपिका सुनना. दीपिका बेटा.
था।
दीपिका तेजी से बाहर जा रही है. दीपिका तेजी से बाहर जा रही है.
हम बाहर देंगे फिर चाहिए बाहर देंगे।
दीपिका तेजी से बाहर जा रही है. दीपिका तेजी से बाहर जा रही है.
Yes,
दीपिका.
sir, because ma'am call him a old woman, and I think his brother
Her
listen that
brother
thing.
Apurva. Her brother. लड़की का भाई.
Sorry, sir. Her brother listen that
Yes.
thing, and
Yeah.
he is teasing right now, I think.
Yes, she's teasing her. Okay, so everybody, possessive adjectives are not used alone, okay? Our
No,
country, India. Our country, India. अब मैं my country बोलूं तो एक आदमी, right? लेकिन our
Yes.
country, India. I hope you understand. Our is a possessive adjective.
Yes.
Okay.
sir.
I have a mouse. Its color is black. I have a Bluetooth mouse. Its color, ITS.
It's
My color is
Its
not
color.
its color. अच्छा सुनो और. I have a T-shirt. I'm wearing a T-shirt. Its color is red. Its color,
Yeah.
ITS.
It's yeah.
Okay. I have an old phone. Its price is around 10,000, I think. I have an old phone. Its price is around 10,000. Okay. So its price, ITS. Okay, and my price is nothing. I am free. Okay. All right. So now we are moving on to the next activity, guys.
Yeah.
I hope you understand the pronouns, subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive adjectives a little better.
Yes.
Now, there
Yes,
are
sir.
3 sentences here. There are 3 sentences. 1, 2, 3. Read them. And you have to circle the possessive adjectives. If you see any possessive adjectives here, circle them and underline the pronouns. If you see any pronouns, underline them. Come on, everybody, do it.
adjective and pronouns, sir.
Come again, beta.
Adjective and pronouns, sir.
Yes, circle the possessive adjectives, sweeties. Circle the possessive adjectives. अच्छा मैंने उनको कहा स्वीटी इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं उनको लड़की बोल रहा हूँ, ध्यान रखिएगा, ठीक है? मैं उनको लड़की नहीं बोल रहा, ये स्वीटी वर्ड शो। वेरी गुड आरती,
I am also done, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। आई वाज सेइंग कि मैंने अगर किसी बच्चे को स्वीटी बोला तो ये जरूरी नहीं कि मैंने उसे लड़की बनाया। स्वीटी मींस आई एम शोइंग माय लव एंड अफेक्शन, ठीक है? तो मैं छोटे बच्चे लड़के को भी बोल सकता हूँ, नो स्वीटी, ओके? Deepika, focus on the exercise, Deepika. Deepika, come on, girl. Focus on the exercise. Don't focus on your brother. We have some sentences. Underline the pronouns and circle the possessive adjectives. She won't listen. She won't listen.
I am done, sir.
Okay, everybody. All right. Chiku, you have to circle the possessive adjectives. जो भी possessive adjectives दिखें, sentence number 1, 2, and 3. यहाँ, exercise 2 on your screen.
Yes, sir.
And underline the pronouns. Sentence number 1. Her son is in my class. What do you see here in this sentence?
My is possessive adjective and him is object.
Wait. In the first
is
part,
object
her
pronoun.
son is in my class. We see two possessive adjectives, her
Yeah.
and my.
Her and my.
My.
Her
Yes, sir.
son, her son. This her is a possessive adjective, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hers.
And my class, my is also a possessive adjective, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
Let's look at the next line. I like him. We see two
Him.
pronouns here. Can you see two pronouns?
Yes, sir. I and la.
Yes,
I and him.
I and him. I is the subject
Him
pronoun.
is object pronoun and
Him is the
I
object
is
pronoun.
subject pronoun.
And subject pronouns are used before the verb, right?
Yeah.
That's why they're called subject pronouns. Number 2,
Yes, sir.
our grandmother has a new TV.
Our is
Possessive adjective.
possessive adjective.
What is
Our is a
possessive
possessive
adjective?
adjective.
Adjective.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
She doesn't like it.
It
She
is
is
object pronoun
She is
and subject pronoun.
subject pronoun.
No, sir. It is object pronoun because it is used after verb.
Very good. It is the object pronoun, right? And she is the
Subject pronoun.
subject pronoun. Very good. Number 3, they like their teacher. In this sentence, what do you see?
Sir,
They
There is a subject pronoun.
and there is possessive
There is a
adjective.
possessive adjective.
Yes, Noshin. No problems. You can leave Noshin. No issues. All right. They is the subject pronoun and there
Okay, sir.
is.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, Noshin.
There is
There is.
adjective.
Bye-bye, Beta.
Adjective.
There is the
Possessive
possessive adjective. कैसे पता?
Yes, sir.
Because we see their teacher.
Their teacher.
Next.
And he is
his,
subject pronoun
his,
and
sub-
them is
Them is
object
object pronoun.
Exactly. Them is the object pronoun. He is the subject pronoun. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you complete these sentences with the pronouns? You have to use the pronouns.
Yes, sir, we
Subject
can.
pronouns, object pronouns, whatever you need. Complete these sentences, 10 sentences.
Okay, sir.
okay. So now this is my dictionary concept.
This is noisy.
Often plays football with
That's my dictionary channel.
Rosa and I are a good student.
Complete the
I am done,
sentences.
sir.
Good,
I am
Arti.
done.
Good, Apurva. Read the sentences again and again so that you can
Okay, sir.
start using them as well, okay?
Okay, sir.
You should feel comfortable using them. Shabnam, your internet goes
Yes,
bad
sir.
after 6:30, 6:40 somehow.
What, sir?
Your internet starts to, be slow after 6:30, 6:45. Yesterday too, you got in trouble with the internet. Your internet was very slow, very unstable towards the end of the class yesterday. And again, today as well, your internet is unstable.
Yes, sir.
Your internet is unstable.
It's done, sir.
Okay, well done.
ठीक है माँ हाँ, ठीक है आप जाइए माँ
We are going to complete these 10 sentences, everybody.
Yes.
I am done, sir.
Good,
I'm done too.
very nice. Shall we check then?
Yes, sir.
Dharmendra beta, Dharmendra, Afreen,
Yes, sir.
dear Shazia, I don't want to ignore any of my students. All of you are important, okay? Nikhat, Noor, Zulekha. I hope you have finished.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's check. Just mute yourselves. If there is noise around you, mute yourselves, okay? I like my brother's new girlfriend.
What
I like my brother's new girlfriend, but she doesn't like me. Oh, so sad. Oh, moi ho gaya. I like my brother's new girlfriend, but she doesn't like me. Oh my goodness. Number 2, Tom has 2 sons.
sons?
He
often play football.
Plays football.
He often
with them.
He often plays football with them. Tom often plays football with his 2 sons, right? He often
sir.
plays football with them. 3. That's my dictionary.
Can I have
it back, please?
Can I have it back, please? Can I have it back, please?
Can I have it back, please?
Hey, that's my pen. Can I have it back, please?
Yes, sir.
Number 4.
Mr. Banks is our
Banks is our new teacher.
We
like him a lot.
Yeah. Mr. Banks is our new teacher. We like him a lot.
Yeah.
We like him a
lot.
lot. Yes.
Rosa
Rosa and
Rosa
I
and
I
are good students.
We like our
teacher and we likes him.
No.
We
likes us.
we like our teacher and she likes us.
Okay. Is the teacher a man or a woman?
Anybody?
sir?
She
A woman.
I like our teacher and she likes her.
No.
Woman, sir.
We like our teacher and she likes us.
Her woman.
How do you know, Chiku? How do you know that the teacher is a woman?
You woman see and she like.
Okay, well done, Chiku. Very well done. Rosa and I are good students. We like our teacher And
Yes, sir.
she likes
Likes
us.
us.
She means
Yes,
the
sir.
teacher, okay?
Yes, sir.
We like our teacher and the teacher likes us. 6.
Our
Our
teacher
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 gives
give us a lot of homework.
Yeah, lot of homework.
Our teacher gives us a lot of homework. Do I
But
give
you
you a lot
don't,
of
sir.
homework? No, I don't.
No. You don't, sir.
I don't give a lot of homework. Number 7. Kate likes Joanna.
Kate likes Joanna,
But
but
Maria
Maria doesn't like
her
her
at
at all.
Okay, I want to change the name, okay? Right, Kate.
Yes,
Kate
sir.
के जगह कर दो Katrina. Okay.
Katrina likes
जानवी कर दो जानवी. Joanna की जगह जानवी, okay?
Okay.
Katrina likes Janvi.
Katrina likes Janvi.
Katrina likes Janvi.
But Maria doesn't.
But Maria
But
doesn't
Maria-
like
Her at
It
all.
can't be her at all.
Janvi at all. Maria doesn't like Janvi at all. तो जानवी की जगह क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? Her.
Her at all.
Yeah, Janvi doesn't like her at all. Number 8.
Mike
Mike buys a newspaper every day. He reads
On the train.
it on the train.
Mike buys a newspaper every day. He reads it. He reads it.
He reads it
On the
Sir,
train. He reads
we
it on
can
the
use
train.
both now, he or she.
Mike is a man or a woman?
Man,
I don't know, sir.
Man.
Mike, man.
I think man होगा sir.
Mike is a man, okay? Mike is a
Yeah.
man.
Mike.
Mike buys a newspaper every day. He reads it on the train. 9.
Look,
Look, this
this
is a photo of me with my family.
With my family.
This is a photo of me with my family. Look,
Yes, sir.
this is a photo of me with my family. And 10.
Sally works
Sally works with all.
She has
She has lunch with them
Every
with
day.
them.
Sally works with Paul and Sue. They have lunch.
Every day.
No,
Sir,
she
they
has
have-
lunch.
She has lunch.
She
Yes,
has.
She
sir.
has lunch with them every day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
She can't. She can't.
Sir, yes, Sally.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
और गलती से साली नहीं बोलना आप लोग, okay?
No, sir, Sally.
No, very bad. Sally has lunch with them every day. अब बोले जानबूझ के बोल सकते हैं, गलती से नहीं जानबूझ के. Okay, some people are very distracted while they are in the class. तुम्हें पता है एक रूम बनाना चाहिए घर में, especially learning room.
Yes.
Okay, everybody. Now, the next exercise. The next exercise is, it says read the text about David Guetta and answer the
Answer.
questions. Read the text about David Guetta and answer the questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the text about David Guetta. Read the text and answer the questions in exercise 4.
What is his job?
David Guetta is a DJ superstar.
David is a very famous.
Silently,
super.
please.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please
Yes.
say in the group, sir.
It is in the group. No. Just a second. There you go.
Okay, sir.
Kashif. Mute yourself.
Full screen, sir.
This is homework, no, sir.
No, no, no. Now you're doing it now. Read the text and answer the questions in exercise 4. I'm waiting.
Okay.
Read the text in the group if you don't have the book and answer the questions. निखत चीजें आसान लग रही थोड़ी थोड़ी
जी सर, थोड़ा बहुत।
आप बनी रहिए ना लगातार मेरे साथ, धीरे धीरे चीजें आसान हो जाएंगी। ओके,
ओके
आप क्लास मत मिस किया करो।
सर, 15-20 दिन से तबीयत ही खराब।
Yeah, I know you were sick. And where is your sister?
I'm done.
Where is your sister, Shama?
क्षमा नहीं है सर,
Where is Shama?
जहानाबाद गई।
She is in Jahanabad. She is in Jahanabad. Okay.
आपी का ऑपरेशन होने वाला है, वही के लिए गई।
I see, I see. यहाँ प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि मेरे क्लासेस बहुत ज्यादा नहीं हो पाते ना, मतलब बैचेस लिमिटेड रहते हैं। तो अगर आप एक क्लास छोड़ोगे ना तो आपको बड़ी मुश्किल होगी, दूसरे क्लास में जगह नहीं है, क्लास नहीं मिलेगा आपको, दिक्कत ये है। सो यू हैव टू बी रेगुलर। उनको मैसेज करके कहना रिकॉर्डिंग देखते रहें वो।
Yes. I'm done, sir.
I am done, sir.
I
Good.
am also done, sir.
आपको टेक्स्ट नेचुरल लगा या अजीब तरह से लिखा हुआ था? कम ऑन गाइस, टेल
नहीं
मी।
सर,
Natural,
it
sir.
is natural है सर, और अंडरस्टैंडिंग
कुछ
है।
अजीब नहीं लगा?
नहीं।
No, sir.
हेलो सर, कैन यू?
यस सर, यस सर।
अंशु, आरती को अजीब लगा। अंशु, आपको अजीब लगा?
यस सर।
ओके ओके आरती, आई विल टॉक टू यू जस्ट अ सेकंड। अंशु, आपको अजीब लगा टेक्स्ट?
यस सर।
क्या अजीब लगा अंशु?
सर ये डेविड इज नंबर 3rd इन द टॉप 100 डीजे पोस्ट।
वो अजीब नहीं, स्टाइल की बात कर रहा हूँ, लिखने का जो तरीका है उसमें कुछ अजीब लगा दोस्तों?
यस।
गुड, चलो पहले आंसर करो। व्हाट इज हिज जॉब?
He is a DJ superstar.
He is a DJ
Yes,
very famous DJ.
He is a
famous DJ.
What?
जैसे एग्जांपल फॉर बिजनेस वुमेन, तो बिजनेस वुमेन जो दिया वो अलग करके दे सकता था ना।
चलिए ठीक है, देखते हैं। Who does he work with?
David works with a lot
of pop stars
such as Britney Spears, Celine Dion, and Madonna.
Very good, very nice, very nice. And who does he want to work with?
He wants to work with
He
Gaga.
wants to work with Lady Gaga
Lady Gaga.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
yes, beta.
because he likes Lady Gaga.
Sir, can I leave the class?
Yes, beta. No problems.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Where does his wife come from?
And
He
he
comes
comes
from
from Senegal.
Senegal.
From Senegal.
What does she do?
She is a businesswoman
She
and
is a
Yes, sir.
businesswoman.
An actress.
Oh, interesting. And how many YouTube hits does David have?
70 million.
70 million.
Millions on YouTube.
70 million hits.
Okay, now let's read the text. David Guetta, the superstar DJ with 70 million hits on YouTube. David Guetta is French. David lives in Paris. but David works all over the world. David is a very famous DJ. David is number 3. Natural लगा आपको ये?
No, sir.
No,
All
sir.
No, sir.
पर डेविड का नाम आ रहा है.
David used
Yes, sir.
repeat so many times.
Noun is repeated, sir.
David
हाँ.
repeat.
इसी को कहते हैं, well done आरती, noun is repeated. Noun is
Yes.
Repeated.
noun बार बार noun repeat हो रहा है. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. Noun को repetition
Yes.
से रोकने के लिए हमारे पास क्या क्या है?
It's
Pronoun.
it's
Pronoun.
नहीं, pronoun है और possessive adjectives भी हैं.
Yes, sir.
Possessive adjectives भी हैं pronoun से repetition of noun रोकने के लिए.
Yes, sir.
तो my question for you, my homework for you is read the text, okay? And write it more naturally. जहाँ noun नहीं होना चाहिए वहाँ pronoun, possessive adjectives use करिए and
sir.
make
Yes,
it
sir.
more natural.
Okay, sir.
ये है आपका homework. और आरती,
Yes, sir.
अपने जरा दो दोस्तों से बात करिए तो, एक सुहानी से और एक क्या नाम है?
Rani.
रानी तो नहीं, रानी तो ठीक कर रही है, बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. सुहानी से बात करिए और पूछिए क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसका. एंड वो महफूज आरती, आयशा का भाई
Yes, sir.
महफूज, टॉक टू हिम
Yes, sir.
और उससे बात
Okay,
करके
sir.
फ्रेंडली बात करिए, देखिए क्या प्रॉब्लम है, ताकि वो कोऑपरेट कर सके हम लोग उसको. ठीक है ना? नर्वस हो जाता है
Okay, sir.
ऑनलाइन क्लास में, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ओके,
Okay, sir.
फाइन. आई विल सी यू गाइस ऑन मंडे एवरीबॉडी.
one
Okay,
second, sir.
हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए
Hi,
बोलिए.
sir.
Sir,
चाहिए?
yesterday जो होमवर्क मिला था उसको हमने कंप्लीट किया. उसमें जो भी वर्ब्स था उसको हाईलाइट किया था हमने.
बहुत बढ़िया किया आपने, बहुत अच्छा.
हाँ, तो वो आप एक बार कभी टाइम मिले तो चेक करके.
मैंने कर लिया आते
अच्छे-
के साथ. आज क्लास में सबसे पहले आप देर से आए ना.
जी सर.
एंड रिकॉर्डिंग में आप देखेंगे. एंड सेकंड थिंग, आपने 2.10 के लिए नहीं लिखा चिकू.
नहीं सर,
तो 2.10
वो
लिखना
सब
था.
वो सब लिसनिंग था ना, सुनना था ना.
नहीं, 2.9 लिसनिंग था, 2.10 लिखना था. बट नेवर माइंड, आपने उल्टा कर दिया. तो आप 2.10 लिख सकते हैं दोबारा चाहे तो. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड डू ऑल द एक्सरसाइजेस. आप ठीक कर रहे चिकू, लगातार ऐसे बने रहेंगे ना आप. मैं सिर्फ इतना ही तो चाहता हूँ अपने स्टूडेंट से कि वो क्लास में बने रहें. ओके, फिर बाकी मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, मैं हेल्प करूंगा ना. ओके,
टुडे इज वर्क. डीजे का जो भी है उसको कंप्लीट करना है.
हाँ, फिर से पढ़िए उस टेक्स्ट को. ओके दोस्तों, आपको जितना समय मिले किताब पढ़िए, ऑडियो फाइल सुनिए, दैट्स ऑल. 5 बार, 10 बार, 15 बार, 20 बार रीड द सेम टेक्स्ट. ओके, एंड
Okay, sir.
लिसन टू द सेम ऑडियो फाइल्स, नथिंग मोर. Just chill. I will see you guys on Monday. Bye bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.